Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock, that is, well, also with Rivian, Lucid and Ford, and let's see what's been going on in the market with these EVs today. We do have some retest of the levels and then a sell-off, so let's figure out what are the levels to watch. Now, starting off with Tesla, we are still in the bearish structure. We turned bearish in the bearish structure almost 3 days ago, and we have been, all the retests have been still failing, right? And we are still selling off. Now, intraday, we still got a rebound though, as per a couple of things that we talked about, but overall structure didn't quite change yet to the bullish side. You can see we went all the way up to our cloud. Now I'm using my indicator that changes some colors here on the candles and then also shows this cloud, and you can see we went into the cloud, price reaction started rejecting there again, and we sold off. And for the intraday today, this is what we were watching. If we can get above $206, the first level can come to all the way to 208.49, and if we get above it, then we can continue higher to the next levels. And so we got to the next significant level as well, marked by my indicator. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. We precisely went to our next significant level marked by my indicator. And once we got into this red cloud, we started rejecting at that level of significance. Just, with the combination and confluence, this is what it helps, right? The confluence of 200 hours moving average, overall structure being still negative, getting into the red cloud, resisting, double tops forming, things are selling off, right? So structure on Tesla still continues to remain in the downtrend, okay? Just keep a note of that. Yes, intraday rebounds are coming, but those are just the rebounds. Intraday, you can still trade up or down at the proper areas, right? And those levels I already provided you, and I'll provide you for tomorrow's the levels to watch, and my opinion as well based off of that. But overall structure right now on Tesla is still red and negative, right? Now, this area of $203 is an area of interest and importance, because this is where we have 203, 200 days moving average, and also if I take it to the weekly interval, that's where we also have the inverted head and shoulder pattern of the previous inverted head and shoulder on the weekly, and this is where we are still trying to find some pivot. So that's why this is a very important area to watch, because if we lose this area of $203 range, you can expect then much more continuation in the downside. So something to just keep in mind, right? Let's go back to the daily interval here, and what we have, let's go to the hourly interval. Daily interval we already talked about, that we are still negative and rejecting levels, and overall still being bearish. Now tomorrow, what are the levels to watch? Well, we have still the levels both sides. If Tesla can try to get above 208.50 again, there is again room for upside, all right? However, if we can't, this also becomes an area of rejection, and then we can again test $203, where that 200 days moving average is also. So the level to watch tomorrow for a break on the direction to choose is 208.50, all right? Accordingly, we'll have a stop loss. So yeah, let's go to the hourly interval, and we are on the hourly interval. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval actually. So on 5 minutes interval, things are not looking good. Yeah, watch this level, guys. This is the level area. I mean, I would like to give it an area for intraday. Watch this zone, an area, right? If we can stabilize in this zone and get above and stabilize in the pre-market or whatnot, and if you stay above then this level, 208.50 area zone, we can continue higher, right? That's what I'm trying to say. Otherwise, if we keep rejecting it, it's just gonna stay weaker for tomorrow as well, right? So that's pretty much, is what you are watching with Tesla tomorrow. But yeah, overall, just remember, I mean, overall structure hasn't changed bullish, just so you know. Intraday, if it has to start to turn bullish, we have to see intraday strong close as well, right? But again, for example, today intraday strength started to come above this level of 208.50 area. We continued higher, right? That was good, but where did we close? And that's why I take partial profits. And when the structure lost again on the intraday, which was this level of 210, There was no point in staying in this structure. And also what is our tools are telling us that, hey, wait, hold on, we are bearish, right? So there's no reason right now to be super bullish, right? We are bearish, right? So all these clouds and information helps in making these decisions. My tools. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below this video. All right, so that's Tesla, guys. Let's take a look at short volume data as well on it. I don't expect something quite strange, surprising or strange. So yeah, no, it's fine. Tesla 3435 is fine. It does that. For me, on Tesla, if it's above 35 or 40, like 47 or something, then I am worried. Otherwise, 3435 is fine. Tesla is a highly desirable stock to short by many people, many traders. So it doesn't surprises me for Tesla. It has been like this forever on Tesla actually, so that's why it's a, you have to be relative to what usually how the stock behaves, right, with its data. So okay, so that's Tesla. Let's take a look at Rivian. And so here's the thing. So yes, Rivian is trying to still technically stay in the bullish, I think it's still a bullish structure. Yeah, it's still trying to stay in the bullish structure. These are the levels I would like. Look, if we lose $13.66, it's over in this uptrend that it's trying. And you can see this supply zone that I provided you up there is still reacting and making Rivian reject up there, right? So that's still an ongoing problem there. So let's go to the hourly interval. And overall, we are still in the bullish structure, but if we can't get through this red thing and we lose this final level, like $13.64, there's a problem in paradise. All right, it's not a paradise yet though, but anyways, for tomorrow, this is the level you are watching. If we can stay above $14.13, upside. If we break below it, downside. Simple. Intraday tomorrow, this is the level to watch. Lucid, let's take a look at Lucid now. So Lucid did its thing, but now it's getting weak. Technically, it's still somehow holding bullish structure, but it's weak. It's weak. All right, let's go to the hourly interval. And that's the thing, right? We have to identify, is the pullback strong or weak, right? So, but again, the point is that once on the overall structure, if you have a bullish position, once it fully turns red, what it tells you that is that's a hard stop loss. That's what it signifies, right? Pullbacks are the zones to take partial profits. And what red is like, okay, it's red, guys. The structure is changing. Either you want to turn short or you just shouldn't be in the long position that you are in. That's what it's all about, right? So Lucid for again tomorrow, I mean, this is the thing, right? It's like selling off now at those previous levels, right? Yeah, like the next good upside I would only consider if it can get above $4.10. Otherwise, no, it can either stay choppy or weak. So, but this is the zone, $4.10. If it can get above it, then only some strong upside is possible. Ford is staying strong, and through the pullback is still staying strong. We are still in the bullish structure. It's doing better than other ones. It's a range bound stock, guys. It's you're not gonna expect $20 move out of it. Then okay, here's the thing that as we again this, if we hold above 20 days moving average even through the pullback, it has a room to $11.95. The weakness will actually start to come in though if we start to lose at $10.82 with eventually 20 days moving average. If all of this stuff we start to lose, bye to it. All right, so that's Ford. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Let's just high level take a look at SPY and QQ. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get time for tech stocks today, but this is where you have still technically, it can even come down to 20 and 50 days. That's still going to be fine. Its overall structure is still going to stay strong. All right, interesting enough, QQ was in the morning going up, still though continuing to stay in that bearish structure, still closed red. 20 days moving average is, that's the last line of defense on this technically. If as again, look, here's the thing, we turned bullish, you take the position, starts to get pullbacks or starts to slow down, partial profits. Once we turned red, there is no point in staying bullish right now, right? Now it's time to wait and see what it does. I mean, it's your choice if you want to short it, but overall full short, in my opinion, hasn't activated. We are still above 20 days and 200 days moving average. Yes, intraday weakness is there, structure is broken, it's not as bullish, but this is the level. If it has to turn upside again, it should stay above 20 days moving average. the red stuff is telling you that price action right now is not confirming upside, right? That's the thing. So hourly interval as well, you can see that we rejected where in the red cloud and sold off, right? And so momentum still stays negative for tomorrow. The level is 408 and 73 and 86 cents above it, bullish, below it, bearish. All right, that's it for this video, guys. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel. Link is in the description below. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below as well. All right, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.